What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Q and I'm back. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Q and I'm back. What's up, guys? It's your girl Boss and I'm back here with another video on BossTv. Today I am doing a cute project, well, actually something that I've been wanting to do. I've been wanting to have my own makeup, skincare, natural skincare line. So today I have gotten all of my ingredients that I need to construct my first item that I want to put on my natural skincare site. Well, I'm actually gonna probably just put it on Instagram first. I have an Instagram name, which will be underscore MakeupbyQ underscore, I believe. I'm gonna put it in the description box down below just because I'm not really sure. I kept changing it a few times, but yes, I'm going to be making lip oil and lip scrub today. I'm making a lip oil lip scrub combo. I'm not sure which flavor I'm going to be making today because I just don't know, but I have all of my ingredients. So I'm going to show you guys. I have these oils here. So all my little oils. I have my oils here. These are from L'Oreal oils. I have strawberry kiwi. Just trying to see if it will focus. Okay. Strawberry kiwi. I have cotton candy. I have tropical punch flavor. It's not focusing, but whatever. I have coconut and pineapple flavor. And I actually just ordered some lemon essential flavoring oil, and that is on the way. But right now, I also have all of my different oils that I also ordered from Amazon because Amazon got everything. Okay. So I got it's from Premium Nature. I got some grapeseed oil, and they come in a set. I got grapeseed oil. I have avocado oil. I have sweet almond oil. And I have fractionated coconut oil. That's how they look. I smell all of them. They really don't have a smell to me. But I don't know, my nose could just be broken. Let's smell this one. This is grapeseed oil. Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell, but that's good because you use the flavorings to make them taste how you want them to taste. I also have my little pipettes here. You know what I'm saying? I clean them out, make sure they're all clean. And this is after I mix all my oils. I'm gonna put all my oils in these little cups, and I'm gonna take it out here and put it into my packaging containers. I also got some cute little items to put in my, just to decorate it, make it look cute, you know what I'm saying, give it a little extra pizzazz or whatever. Keep dropping things. But I got like cute little don't even know what you want to call them right now, but I got these little fancy decoration things to put inside of your lip glosses or lip oils, or like they put it in like slime and goo, like butterflies, dragonflies, some fruits and things. It's the same thing. But yeah, so I got that. These are my packaging tubes. Okay, and I got like my different sugars for my lip scrubs, and now we're just gonna get into it. This is kind of like how the little Alright guys, so I made the lip oil. So cute. Got the kiwis and the strawberries in it. And I put it on my lips. It smells really good. Put on a whole bunch because my lips was dry, baby. Lips was dry, baby. Okay. So now I'm gonna make some lip scrub samples with the white sugar. What's up guys? So I have been here in the lab, you know what I'm saying, working on my lip scrubs and lip oils. I have finally gotten a finished product. These are gonna be like samples. I'm gonna get some bigger packaging. Just want you guys to test it out and see how you like it, and let me know if you want to order. Just so follow me on Instagram and follow me at @Quay_boss, and you can DM me and let me know if you want some samples. I'm sending them out. Combination lip oil and lip scrub for $5. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got And I'm going to show you how I set them up. So hold on. So here are all of my lip oils and lip scrubs. I have strawberry kiwi lip oil with strawberry kiwi lip scrub. This is Love Coconut lip oil. Love Coconut lip scrub. And then I have the Honey Lemon lip oil. Dropping things. Honey Lemon lip oil with the Honey Lemon Brown Sugar Scrub. Oh my gosh. And the Tropical Punch lip oil with the Tropical Punch Brown Sugar lip scrub. Okay. So now guys, I'm about to take all of my lip scrubs and I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna have a photo shoot. Okay.